This is a quick review of Fusion5 4G tablet available on Amazon India, Amazon UK and Amazon US. Please refer the description or comment section to watch an unboxing video, full-fledged unboxing video of Fusion5 tablet. Also, the links to make your purchase from Amazon are available in description section and comment section. Hey guys, I'm Rajat. Welcome to my channel. Please click on subscribe to get more videos from my side. This is a 9.6-inch tablet from Fusion5. It has 4G capabilities. It has 2 SIM slots, 1 slot for SD card. Let's see the detailed review. The processor of this device is MT6735P, clocked at 1 GHz, and this is optimized for tablet and its battery usage. So you would get more battery usage or better battery optimization using this processor. Of the 2 GB RAM of this device, almost 50% is available for us to do various activities on this tablet. I got 0.5 mAh charger with this tablet, and it took something around 3 to 5 hours to charge this tablet from 0 to 100. However, when I used 2 mAh charger, it took 2 to 3 hours. So not exactly a significant improvement. This tablet comes with an USB 2.0 port and 3.5mm jack, and I'm quite happy using the traditional ports, and I can use this jack for listening to FM radios. FM radio is quite loud and clear. I heard no complaints about it. Talking about the pre-installed apps, if I go to system apps, I find absolutely no bloatwares. These are standard apps which are bare minimum, so absolutely no bloatwares, and that's the best part about it. The Wi-Fi signal reception and the SIM card reception was absolutely fine. There were no flaws whatsoever I could find out among them. Ergonomically, this tablet is quite lightweight and easy to carry, and it has all the round edges. Everything is rounded, so quite an elegant design, I would say. I'm using USB 2.0 32 GB pen drive, and as you can see over the OTG, I can easily navigate among these files. These are all the files that are available on my pen drive. The resolution of this device as identified by CPU Z is 1280 by 800. However, when I try to play a 1080p video on YouTube, the maximum resolution it can identify is 720p only. It doesn't identify 1080p. Talking about the camera quality, this is the picture that is taken in broad daylight, but I can still see grains coming in. Not so clear pics, I would say. And this is 5 megapixel decoded in HDR. The Android version on this tablet is 6.0, and even if we click on system update, it all says that this is up to date. There are no updates available. So this system works on 6.0 only. The position of the keys in normal portrait mode is something very odd. I mean, by mistake you can always click on this power button while operating, so while you're working this would just switch off. Talking about the sensors, it has accelerometer, proximity and light sensors only. I was expecting at least a e-compass or maybe a gyroscope installed on this device, but it is missing. So that's all from my side, guys. Please don't forget to click on like, subscribe and the bell icon. Also share this video with your friends and family.